Hello children, let us learn next case study based question, that is 19th question of RSPL 3 aerial photography. This is one of the best question which will make your concept stronger of the similar triangle. Here the similar triangle can be used for many different things in real life. It is used in aerial photography to see the distance from sky to the ground. Aerial photography is the taking a photograph from an aircraft or other flying objects. Low level photos can be taken using a remote control camera suspended from a blimp. Now check out what actually blimp is. Those who don't know, those who already know it, yes, good and fine. Okay, so here will be the blimp on that this camera. So according to the question here, we have P. This is P is the camera over here, remote controlled camera. Then we'll see how the question required, and then we'll pull out the triangles according to it. In figure, a remote control camera P is used to take photo that covers the distance of AB. Okay, this is so much AB it is taking, which is proportional to base QR. Fine, base QR over here. So here QR by AB equal to H by H. Fine. H here is the height of the small triangle to the bigger. Using similarity criteria, answer the questions based on it. So here it is already given this part, the first question. This data is enough to solve for that. So given here H is 3, so I'll put 3 here, and AB we have to find capital H divided by H. I am substituting over here. QR is 8 divided by AB is 50. So to find H, it is cross multiply, divide by 8. 50 into 3 divided by 8, that is 150 by 8 will be 18.75. Next one, triangle PQR is similar to. Okay, we'll go back to the figure here. Now what is most important in the similarity triangle is pull out the triangle. I'll just take this big triangle first out. Any question based on the similarities given, I would advise you all to do this thing, to pull out the triangle corresponding sides. Check here, this is most important point. Angle Q is corresponding to B and angle R is equal to A, alternate angles. So I will draw a triangle which side P is the common point, so P is over here. I'll place P on the top of this triangle as well. Now check out this point children, Q is corresponding to B. So B is at this corner, so I'll put here Q so that they will be corresponding in this part. And here this will be the other one, that is R. Now the question asked here is PQR. Check this, PQR is similar to which one? PBA. So you come in the same order, PQR, PBA. Check the option. Yes, option 2, PBA. Write scale factor for PQR and PBA if H by H. See, PQR is the small triangle. For this it is okay, divided by PBA. We will take it H by H. So this will be 1 is to 110. Even for the triangle also it will be 1 is to 110. Next question, if perimeter of PQR is 20 centimeter, then perimeter of, okay, write this way, perimeter of triangle PQR and perimeter of not equal to of triangle PBA. So if they are asking us perimeter divided by, so perimeter of this is given 20. Now one more thing children, here instead of perimeter they give you median, altitude, all will be having the same scale factor as that of the corresponding side or the sides proportional. But no matter, in this question they have specified the scale factor, so it will be divided by perimeter of the other PBA triangle 1 by 110. Cross multiply, you get perimeter of PBA equal to 2200. Okay, let us check here. Now most important point, see this is how they confuse you. This is centimeter, we already got 2200 and we will tick this answer. No, check out for the centimeter, and the options given all are in meter. So convert this centimeter to meter, then check your option. So it will be 2. Do be careful with the units. For next question E, which of the following is correct? Check out children. I will take PQR is similar to PBA. This will do our job. You need not go back to the question also. So remember, we are using this first triangle, second triangle. So whenever we select the side, this side should come first of this triangle next. So in the first check we will take PQ divided by PB is there. PQ by PB, correct. Then next one is PA. See here they have selected this triangle first. So this will not be the option. So PQ by PB, PQ by PB, yes, this part is correct. Then PR by P, okay, PR by PA, fine, this is correct, this option is correct because they took this triangle first and next side second one. But we will just check across one how it will be given. PQ by PR, PQ by PR, same triangle, no, not possible, not possible. PQ into PR, PQ again into PR, and PA into PB. So this is also not possible. Our answer here is 2. I hope you all got it what I was referring with. PQR means PBA. P is corresponding to P, Q is corresponding to B, and R to A. So when you select the sides, take line segment PQ to PB, QR to BA, PR, then it should be PB. That's what we say corresponding angles. Hope you all understood children.